Due to the issues and costs associated with manual dietary assessment approaches, automated solutions are required to ease and speed up the work and increase its quality. Today, automated solutions are able to record a person's dietary intake in a much simpler way, such as by taking an image with a smartphone camera. In this article, we will focus on such image-based approaches to dietary assessment using deep neural networks, which represent the state-of-the-art in the field. In particular, we will present three solutions: one for food image recognition, one for image segmentation of food replicas or fake food, and one for image segmentation of real food. Gather a list of different foods and beverages that will be the outputs of the food image recognition model. Save the food and beverage list in a text file such as txt or CSV. Note that the text file used by the authors of this article can be found in the supplemental files under fooditems.txt and includes a list of 520 Slovenian food items. Write or download a Python script that uses the Google Custom Search API to download images of each food item from the list and saves them into a separate folder for each food item. Note that the Python script used by the authors of this article can be found in the supplemental files under downloadimages.py. If this script is used, the developer key, variable developer key line 8 in the Python script code, and custom search engine ID, variable cx, line 28 in the Python script code, need to be replaced with values